Hi, this is the update from this apartment. Look at the work that's going on. I'm taking this from the first window. I hope it captures it well. And look, there's something going on the street today near the convention center. Actually, at the convention center, there's huge crowd. Something for kids, probably. Oh yeah, it's circus. Yeah, I think it is. So take a look at that. Okay, let me walk over to the other one, the other window. This gives a better idea. This is right under the window, these big pipes. They have been there for a while. And look there, all this. There was a very big equipment, machinery there that is not here. Take a look. Alright, let me send this to you. And I love you. Mwah. Love you. Mwah. Bye bye.